At Employer Health Services, we pride ourselves on the relationship that we develop with the workforce. We're able to identify healthcare needs, challenges, priorities, and the benefit is that we can then address that in a customizable and tailored way. Some of our offerings through Employer Health Services are on-site clinics, wellness centers, and telehealth, annual screenings and vaccination events, comprehensive wellness programming and coaching, as well as direct-to-employer primary care services.
Prisma Health brings a lot of benefits to our organization, helping us with cost containment, claims avoidance, but also the health and well-being of our employees. It's convenient, it's easy to schedule, it helps our employees develop a relationship with a provider. What you would traditionally see in a physician's office, we can do right here on site thanks to Prisma Health.
There's really two things that I think have benefited Pickens County when I think about the benefits that Prisma has brought to us. The first is convenience. We're able to have employees that might not be feeling well come by the clinic right here in the office they work in and find out at the clinic from someone that's trained, a professional to deal with them. The second thing that it allows us to do is to be proactive. We're able to provide educational materials that shows our employees good eating habits, referrals if they're having mental health issues. So it's not only a matter of convenience, it's also a matter of wellness.
I would encourage it because it's convenient. There's definitely a cost savings for both the employer and the employee. And the satisfaction that employees have with their workplace clinic is very high.
Canal Insurance Company is an insurance company that specializes in commercial trucking insurance. The convenience of an on-site health clinic is awesome. It's something our employees really value. But the partnership is much more than that. It's the relationships. The type of care that we're able to offer is more personal than what you might get in a traditional doctor's office setting because of time. We see our relationship with Prisma as like having another member of our human resource team. Everyone is really responsive. It's a very creative and willing to try new thing group. We really value that accessibility. Our employees are happier, they are healthier, and they really appreciate the care and the relationships that they've developed with our Prisma Health providers.
One of the most wonderful and unique things about Employer Health Services and health and well-being is that we also get to draw on all of the resources that are a part of our larger healthcare system. So for example, within our department, we have occupational health services.
The benefit of occupational health services, we're your healthcare provider for your employees. So our role is to make sure that the employee, first off, is healthy enough to do the job that they're being asked to do. On a daily basis, we do a lot of pre-employment physicals, and that entails we get a job description from the company. It's our job as occupational medicine providers to make sure that that individual is safe enough to perform those duties. Another role or benefit of occupational health services is that we can perform any type of screenings as far as drug screenings, hearing screenings, vision screenings, DOT physicals. It's a lengthy list of benefits that we can provide a company.
So our office now serves for all the occupational needs. Our clinic here offers services including pre-employment physicals, workers' comp injury, as well as immunizations in order to get on hospital campuses. Our clinic provides 3 MDs, 4 RNs on staff, so we're able to get the employee in and out in a timely manner. That way we would get the employee back to work quicker.
One of the things that gets us most excited in Employer Health Services is when we hear back from employees and employers about how our services have impacted them directly. So for example, our WELLS programming and our health coaching have really helped folks change their health parameters, such as lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, lower weights, and changed how they approach their life. They've adopted healthy habits around physical activity, eating patterns, sleep, and even coping with stress. So we end up contributing to higher engagement, better morale, and lower turnover in these organizations. So if you're interested in a happier, healthier, and more productive workforce, come see us in Employer Health Services. We're here to care for you so you can care for your employees.